Hi, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks very much for joining us. We've got a new set of weather coming in out of the Tasman Sea. It's all thanks to this large area of low pressure. It's not a deep low, but it's a large one, and large means it can go right up into the subtropics and pull that air down. And we're already seeing that a little bit with this departing high, which is encouraging a more humid airflow. That doesn't mean it's always muggy and warm, but just the atmosphere has more moisture in it. And we saw that in Wellington this morning with thick fog, which, by the way, the fog forecaster, New Zealand's only one, at ruralweather.co.nz, accurately forecast. So let's take a look and see what's going on Wednesday. We've still got this big block of high pressure which stretches out in towards Aussie, and this large low, not very deep, but as I say, large enough to pull down subtropical air. And you'll notice that rain and shower activity lining up for these sort of dry areas. Well, dry in the sense that you do need a little bit more rain falling. You need a lot more rain to make up for the last year and a half, but to just get the soil moisture levels back to normal, this will probably do it. And further down the country, that enhanced nor'easter, that will lift your temperatures and reduce the amount of frost for you. By Thursday, similar story, a reduced chance of frost. You do have this high nearby, but with the nor'east breeze or the northerly breeze, cloud cover along Canterbury, bringing in some drizzle and patchy light rain. And further to the north, the squash zone between the low, which is, by the way, weakening already, and the strong high down here to the south, makes for a windier nor'easter, which will become gale force maybe around eastern Waikato and the Kaimai Ranges. And that same area, which you can see the green there, also showing where the rain bands slow down and may even stall for a time, and that will lift up some of those rainfall totals in that area for you. Let's move into later in the week, and on Friday that wet weather shifts to the east, comes in around Gisborne and south of Wairoa into Hawke's Bay and down towards Wairarapa, and even as far south as maybe Christchurch and Kaikoura, although down there it'll be more drizzly. Calm spells further south. It is a northerly. Any frost won't be too major, but you might get a frost if the winds are just light enough for you there. Going into the weekend now, so Saturday sees that week low, 1006, slowly moving over the North Island, more showers mostly along the eastern side, and those easterlies pushing more showers into the lower part of the South Island. And then we get into Sunday, and this is where we've got a change, a southerly change, sweeping in across the country. You can see that dark blue line heading northwards, southerly winds heading northwards, snow flurries on the mountains and ranges, rain showers further down. And when we kick off next week, it's a cold note. We're ending June on a cold note. We'll be starting July on a cold note with this system coming through. So definitely a windier, cooler day with showers around. That's all from me. We'll see you again tomorrow with the latest.